If the zipper on your hoodie keeps getting stuck, don't pull it too hard, because you can damage it even more. Today I'll show you a simple trick using a secret ingredient, but I will reveal what it is only at the end of the video. This is something most people already have at home, but almost nobody thinks to use it on a zipper. Now gently dip your fingers into this liquid and rub it carefully along the zipper teeth. Look how the zipper starts moving more smoothly without forcing it. And now the secret is revealed. This simple trick uses vegetable oil. Use only a very small amount because too much oil can stain the fabric. That's how you can fix a stuck zipper on a hoodie with a simple home trick.